Using a survey form on your website allows you to gather feedback from your site's visitors so you can make more informed decisions about your business. So in this video, we'll cover how to create a survey form in WordPress. Be sure to check out the links we've left in the description, hit that subscribe button and notification bell, and be part of the conversation. Creating a survey to collect data can be easy if you use the right survey tool. WPForms allows you to easily create amazing surveys and polls from scratch using their drag-and-drop form builder. So you can create surveys to find out how your customers, users, or employees feel about your company. And you can add a Likert scale to measure how strongly users feel about a product or service that you're offering. And you can allow users to submit a rating about their overall experience. Using WPForms Survey add-on, you get a pre-designed survey template that allows you to get started quickly. You can easily customize your forms with its simple drag-and-drop features, and you can embed your survey forms in posts, sidebars, footers, and other areas. Then you can quickly access your survey reports right from your admin area and create beautiful survey reports and export them in a variety of formats. To create your survey, you'll need to have purchased a WPForms Pro license or above and have the plugin installed and activated on your site. Now, once that's done, you'll need to install and activate the Surveys and Polls add-on so you can start creating your survey. Now, to do this, log into your WordPress site and on the admin sidebar, hover your mouse over WPForms and then click on Add-on. There you'll see different pre-made form templates, so you'll need to scroll down a little and select the one labeled Surveys and Polls add-on. Now, once the add-on is installed, you'll need to go to your admin sidebar and under the WPForms menu, click on Add New. Next, you'll want to give your form a name, and then scroll down a little and click on Survey Form. Once a form is loaded, you'll see a ready-to-use survey form along with its default fields like name, email, star ratings, Likert scale, and the text box. If this form suits your needs, then all you'll need to do is click the Save button and skip the next step. But if you'd like to customize your WordPress survey form, you can make changes by merely dragging them from the left-hand side panel to the right-hand side panel. Then you can drag and drop them to reorder and rearrange the fields on your survey. If you'd like to edit any field, you can simply click on the field and you'll see the field options in the left column. You can change the label, format, description, and enable required fields from there. If you'd like to customize a rating field, click the field, and the field options will appear in the left column. You can change the field label, description, and scale for the rating between 2 stars and 10 stars. Then if you click the advanced options, you'll see that you can choose the icon size, the color, and CSS classes. Now scrolling down a little further, you'll find that you can also enable conditional logic by clicking on the conditionals. After you finish customizing your fields, don't forget to click the Save button. Alright, next you'll need to configure the survey form setting. Now to do that, on the left side of the form building area, you'll need to click on Settings. Now you'll see 4 settings to configure. First, you'll see the General Settings. Now here you can change the form name, customize the Submit button, check the Anti-Spam feature to make sure it's enabled, and disable storing entry information and user details to comply with GDPR. Next is the notification setting. To receive an email that someone has completed your WordPress survey, you'll need to set up form notifications in WordPress. If you use smart tags, you can also send a notification to site visitors when they've completed your survey, letting them know that you've received it. Now we come to the confirmations. Once site visitors complete your form, you can show them a message, send your visitors to another page on your site, like a thank you page, or even redirect visitors to another website altogether. And the last setting to configure is the Surveys and Polls setting. The Surveys and Polls add-on allows you to easily enable survey reports and poll results with just a few clicks. This way you'll be able to easily gather survey data from your existing forms, all by checking a single box within the form builder. You'll also be able to add in specific survey type fields like a rating field or a Likert scale. You can even take this a step further and enable survey reporting for individual fields like a drop-down or multiple choice field if you don't need to collect data from all the fields on your forms. Now that you've created and configured your settings, let's look at how to add a form to your WordPress page. You can create a new page or add your form to an existing page. Let's say you want to create a new page for your survey. So in your editor, you'll need to give it a title. We'll call ours Take Our Survey. You can either click on the plus button directly under the title or at the page editor's top left corner to add a new block. From there, scroll down to the Widgets option. Click on it and select WPForms. You'll then be able to select the form that we've just created, and when it's done loading, just go ahead and click on the Publish button at the top right corner. You can then click on the View Page button and you're all done. Be sure to test your form thoroughly before going live to make sure everything is working correctly. Now, if you want to add your survey form in the sidebar or other widget-ready area like your site's footer, you can use the WPForms widget. So from your admin sidebar, you'll want to hover your mouse over Appearance and then click on Widgets, and then scroll down and find the WPForms widget. Now click on the drop-down menu, select the sidebar or footer where you'd like the widget to appear, and click Add Widget. Then head over to the sidebar and position your WPForms widget by dragging and dropping it in the location where you want it. You can now add the title for your widget and select your form from the drop-down menu and click the Save button. But of course, what good is it to collect all this data unless you can easily access it and have a ready-to-read report? To view the survey data, you'll need to head over to your admin sidebar, hover your mouse over WPForms, and then click on Entries. The Surveys and Polls add-on automatically creates beautiful reports based on the data that's been submitted to you so far. You can even change the visualization type of the results to get something that best fits your needs, whether that be a bar chart, a pie chart, and more. WPForms also allows you to export your survey data in a variety of different formats, offering you even more flexibility to collect and read your data as you see fit. But if you want to track all types of forms, then you'll need to use the MonsterInsights plugin. Now, MonsterInsights comes with a forms tracking add-on that allows you to track all your WordPress forms data and see its performance. WPForms survey results show you how people have responded to your survey questions, while the MonsterInsights Forms report allows you to see how many people submitted your forms. If you want to learn more, just hit the link in the description for our complete guide on how to track WordPress form conversions using MonsterInsights. Now that you know how to create a survey, here are 5 tips that will help boost your survey's performance. Number 1, offer incentives like a discount or a chance to win a giveaway. Number 2, try to keep your survey short and as straightforward as possible because respondents don't like lengthy surveys. Number 3, avoid questions that might be biased. Number 4, know your target audience and use the terms and language that your visitors understand. Number 5, test your survey on a few respondents or your coworkers and then finalize it. All right, now that you know how to place a survey on your website, why not get all the data you need by getting started with the most powerful and user-friendly WordPress analytics plugin on the market? The MonsterInsights plugin is trusted by more than 2 million professionals to grow their business, and it offers a 14-day money-back guarantee. Now, for more free tips, tricks, and tutorials for using MonsterInsights in WordPress, just click one of the videos on your screen now.